back to the art part of the show, and we are heading to Quadro Fine Art Gallery at DIFC for a viewing of the new collection from British-Iranian artist Sasha Jaffrey. Those who have been following our show will remember Sasha from our season 4, where he painted live for all you viewers as a charity fundraiser. Tonight, we are going to take a look at his latest collection, Universe of the Child, and also his private collection. Sasha has drawn inspiration for his collection from his extensive travels through the Middle East and Southeast Asia, where he worked with local children to capture their true spirit of freedom and innocence.
Universe of the Child, it's about their world, it's about their dream world. So it's about dipping into that, working with them, understanding them, working with special needs children, war-torn children, children with deficits, disabilities, mental and physical, and really trying to understand what they're about and why they're a bit special. And that's why it's the universe of the child. So it's their world, and I've just like dipped into it and tried to understand it and then try to project it forward. There's no conscious thought process. It's stream of consciousness. So it's not about choices and decisions. It's about a stream of consciousness and like grabbing colors and making them work. And I don't really know like how it happens or when it happens, but when it does, you feel it.
Young, talented and oozing with creative energy, Sasha Jaffrey was recently named Young Artist of the Year 2009 in New York. And it's always a pleasure to meet a compassionate artist like him.
Universe of the Child comprises of 12 pieces that Sasha has created after his travels throughout the Middle East and Asia. And what the pieces show you is a representation of that country from the child's eyes, away from being tainted by any social agenda, political or religious agenda. So these 12 large-scale pieces have been produced and are showing for the first time here at the gallery before they commence a world tour through 12 different cities.
The Quadro Fine Art Gallery has unveiled Sasha's collections for the first time before its global tour in museum in over 12 cities of the world. So remember, you saw it first on High Life Dubai. Glamour meets a good cause, that's where you'll find us. So obviously, we could not miss the opportunity to bring you the RAC Foundation's charity event, which included a live auction and a fashion show by the internationally acclaimed designer Manish Malhotra, followed by a cultural dance performance. President of RAC Charity Foundation, Princess Faye Jahan Ara, states that their foundation is dedicated to improving the quality of life of underprivileged children and families. And the proceeds of this live auction will go towards a university in Lucknow, India. The auction included items like 200-year-old ancient manuscript of Holy Quran, which was sold for 300,000 dirhams, a 1970s Rolls-Royce, 2 vintage cars, holiday destinations, and many more items. Manish Malhotra dazzled the audiences with his fabulous designs. Manish, what's your collection all about?
Collection is right here actually. You're already wearing a beautiful sari. It's looking beautiful because you're wearing it. And yeah. The thing is that basically it's a more fun night. It's celebrating India. It's all about charity, and charity can also be fun. So it's like all good people getting together for a cause but enjoying themselves. When you do a show at a place like this, you basically have come with a collection which represents me. So whether they're prints, whether they're contemporary Indian wear, whether it's bridal or whether it's saris, So it's a lot of little of me in every segment, and every aspect of me is there tonight. So it's more of a fun collage and amalgamation of all my work. Yeah.
I was happy to see all my friends Sara Belhasa, Mahesh and Rekha Taurani and many more making it a point to show their support towards this cause. Keep going, Dubai. It's you who make the city rock. Rekha, what do you think about an evening like this?
It's very good because what's really nice is that it's for charity and we all want to be a part of it and help, and the fact is that it's so nicely crowded, so obviously everyone is involved. You come and you contribute, and then of course Manish is there, excellent designer, the best in the world, and I think it's fabulously organized, very elegant, and it's for a good cause.
I think it starts off as a charity, which is a very laudable and wonderful thing to do, especially it's for the poor of India. And I'm very happy that FAY has taken the initiative to do such a wonderful event for it.
I think it's very important to support charity, and I always do. And since Manish approached me that, he has done this before in Paris, and he said, why don't you support it? And wherever Manish is there, of course, I am there.
और आज के लिए बस इतना ही. Hope you enjoyed your half-an-hour ride into the high life. We'll be back again next week reporting from the Dubai Fashion Week. Keep checking on us through Facebook and Twitter, and don't forget, all our episodes can be seen on YouTube. Till we meet next week, stay connected with all the things that make you happy and keep living the high life, because hey, you deserve to live the high life. This is Uma saying bye. Tonight's episode was filmed at one of Dubai's finest furniture stores, Western Furniture. With a collection that keeps evolving like the changing trends, Western Furniture houses a variety of both classic and contemporary furniture. And now we are giving you a chance to win a gift item worth 1,500 dirhams from Western Furniture. Just send in your details to win at highlifedubai.ae now.